How do we film this? I just get into the car?
Yeah, take a seat.
What should I hang on to?
Whatever you want. It's all yours, knock yourself out. You can hang on to me, but that's a tad dangerous. Nearly hit that cone. Let's try that again. It's not as slippery as I expected. We'll get there. And we're off.
Oh, that was good.
It's not supposed to do that. I don't understand why we keep spinning out. It happens on a wet surface. I initiate as usual and the car spins out. I guess I should take it easy for a bit. It's complicated. Just when I got the hang of it, I spun out again. We were meant to drift out of the curve. We've got this. I'll show you what a proper drift looks like, don't worry. We are slowly getting there. Not bad. And our favorite part.
Yeah, baby!
How was that?
That was great.
Welcome aboard Drift Taxi Airlines.
Hello.
Most importantly, don't be shy. If you want to scream or you want to cry, it's okay, do it. Nothing bad's gonna happen, don't worry. You've got your belt on, so everything's gonna be okay. Safety first.
It's okay, I'm not worried anymore.
Just let it all out. That's what we came here for. And we're off. We just hit a red and took a hop. I don't get it. We'll see all the same emotions.
I'm starting to...
What is going on? Should we have another go?
Yeah, let's do it.
That was awesome.
I think I found a new favorite activity.
So you're slowly starting to lose the Subaru itch.
I just like it as a car. It's not like I raced one. Everybody's into Mark IIs.
It's just that Subarus have all-wheel drive, and I'm specifically talking about rear-wheel drive. Rear-wheel drive cars are capable of bringing us this sort of pleasure. Let's go. How was that?
Awesome!
You should have seen your face.
Where can I find you?
You want to go share your impressions with us? Again, don't be shy, okay? We will put a microphone on you. I turned to look. You were doing this face. I can smell burning rubber. That's my helmet flying around back there. The sunglasses you can leave alone. Mysterious lady in sunglasses. Of course. So you're not impressed? Yeah, I'm not sad. What? Didn't do it for you?
I almost flew out the window. That was slightly better.
Oh, thank goodness.
It is so low.
Welcome.
That's it?
Buckle up.
Sure. Why did I agree to this?
Oh, stop it. It's gonna be alright, don't worry. Vitaly can do with it after the fact.
Wait, are they supposed to be driving next to us?
Wait, they weren't last time?
I don't think so.
I think they were.
Maybe I just didn't notice.
You could have just turned and looked.
Later on, I did see some footage from a drone that somebody uploaded. I was trying to determine whether it was me on that footage, and I believe it was. It was shot on a...
There was an SUV parked here, correct?
It was being filmed from behind the car. Yes, it was there, the sun was out, and I was barely able to make out blonde hair and a light-colored dress.
It all seems to check out.
It had to be me. My mom doesn't know I'm into this.
How was that?
Fucking sweet.
Good vibes for the rest of the day. To go to that party.
Bring some adrenaline with me.
You still scared?
Of course.
But you still want more.
Yes?
Great. That's nice. You know, we did a stream recently.
I saw that it was live on YouTube. I didn't have the time to watch it, though.
So some dude was asking a question. He was like, "You're so down to earth, and we thought you wouldn't be." What did you think the first time you saw me?
I'm actually pretty good at analyzing people. You could tell that you're the type of guy who is like, you know, you were in sunglasses, sort of full of yourself.
Otherwise, you can always tell by talking to someone. So you thought I was a serious dude by the look in my eyes. That was your first impression of me.
You know, when people see me for the first time, they also don't see me for who I am.
That didn't work. I wanted to surprise you, but I overcooked it. I should have opened the tap sooner, but I didn't. Okay, there's Sanyam. He fixed his car.
So he's going to be joining us?
What, you don't like three-ways? Don't take that the wrong way, though.
Yeah, good luck with that.
What caused you to overheat? You will have to bring the window up to keep me from sending something flying your way. What does it take to lift a Japanese car's window?
Will he be throwing rocks at us?
No, we'll be ahead of him. We've got stuff flying from underneath the wheels. Can you talk?
It is frightening when you've got a car next to you.
Was that great?
Oh, hell no. Not in the slightest.
What makes you say that?
I was scared. When I'm driving, I stick to the speed limit.
Oh, but come on, it's fun, isn't it?
I get it, but you still have that fear in you. You're worried something might happen.
The main thing the driver should always remember is just not to think about it. As soon as you do, something bad does happen. Shall we? Go have a chat?